Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix start-stop system fault in Audi. This solution will work for the Audi A and Q models, so if you guys have any of these models, this solution will work for you. So basically guys, the start-stop system automatically shuts off the engine and stop to save fuel and reduce emission, then restarts it when you release the brake. One of the most common causes of this warning is a weak or aging battery. The start-stop system needs a strong battery to operate correctly. If the vehicle hasn't been driven much recently, take it for a 20 to 30 minutes drive, and the system may reactivate once the battery is fully charged. The start-stop system may also disable itself if the engine is cold, the cabin climate demand is high, or the steering wheel is turned sharply. Sometimes this warning is caused by a temporary system glitch. Turning the car off, locking it, and restarting after a minute can reset the system. So you can try these little fixes to recharge your battery, and hopefully it will be useful. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.